Plastering is essential for the beauty and durability of the buildings around us. It not only beautifies walls, but also protects them. Plastering is the process of applying a mixture of cement, sand, and water to walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. It smoothens the surface, protects it from external elements, and gives the building a final touch.
Plastering is not just for aesthetics. It protects walls from moisture, dust, and insects. It increases the building's lifespan and improves the internal environment. Good plastering improves the thermal insulation of a building, reduces noise, and provides fire protection. It enhances the overall strength of the building. There are several methods of plastering. Single-coat plastering is commonly used for interior walls, typically 12 to 15 millimeters thick. Double-coat plastering is used for exterior walls, or where a high-quality finish is required. The first coat is called the rendering coat, followed by the finishing coat. Cement plastering is made from a mixture of cement and sand, while gypsum plastering is a ready mix that requires no curing and dries faster. Decorative plastering offers different textures and aesthetic effects, giving buildings a unique look. Essential materials for plastering are cement, sand, and water. The quality of sand and the ratio of cement are very important. Proper tools like trowels, floats, spirit levels, measuring tapes, and scaffolding make the work easier and yield better results. The plastering process begins with surface preparation, followed by mixing materials in the correct ratio and applying them to the wall. Using screeds is crucial to achieve a flat and smooth surface. In India, Indian Standard (IS) codes guide plastering work. IS 1661 relates to the application of cement and cement lime plasters, and IS 2402 guides external plastering. The recommended thickness should be 12 to 15 millimeters for internal walls, 18 to 20 millimeters for external walls, and 6 to 10 millimeters for concrete ceilings. As per IS 1661, proper surface preparation, raking joints, removing dust and debris, and wetting the surface before plaster application are essential. To ensure workmanship quality, uniform thickness should be maintained using screeds. For verticality, there should be no more than 3 millimeters deviation over a height of 2.5 meters, and for flatness, no more than 3 millimeters deviation under a 2-meter straight edge. For quality control, the verticality of the wall is checked using a plumb bob, and the flatness of the surface is checked with a straight edge. Proper curing after plastering is essential. It aids in the hydration process of cement and provides strength to the plaster. Curing should be done for a minimum of 7 days, 2 to 3 times a day, by spraying water. This prevents the plaster from drying out and reduces cracks. Proper curing ensures the durability and strength of the plaster. Without curing, the plaster weakens and cracks appear. It's important to avoid some common mistakes in plastering. A rich mix with too much cement can lead to cracks. Not wetting the wall before applying plaster causes the plaster to not adhere. Over-troweling can lead to small cracks appearing on the surface. Inadequate curing reduces the strength of the plaster and leads to cracks. To avoid these mistakes, proper mix ratios, surface preparation, and curing methods must be followed. Experienced civil engineers conduct several checks to ensure the quality of plastering work. Tapping the wall to check for any hollow sounds is one method. The verticality of the wall is checked using a plumb bob. This ensures that the walls are straight. The flatness of the wall is checked using a straight edge. This ensures there are no unevennesses on the surface. The wall is visually inspected for cracks, patches, or uneven textures. These checks are crucial for high-quality plastering. Keeping the worksite clean, organizing tools properly, and following safety measures are best practices. For quality and reliability in building construction, contact engineer Abu Bakar Bavakati. Bavakati Constructions, Hunagund, a trusted name for all your civil engineering services. We build trust. We deliver quality. For more information, contact engineer Abu Bakar Bavakati.